Who's that? Who
Say
is it?
hello. Say hello.
Hello. Hello. I am.
Logan, come here.
Yes. Yes. My sisters went to a different school, and Penny or not. Yes. That's okay. But the not many males. Sorry, my brother. Sure. Bye, you're my brother. Here you go.
She is. This is Jordan.
Oh, it's great to talk to you, Jordan.
Good to talk to you too. I would love to.
Now it's Logan.
He wants you to come to Disney World. Say okay. Say thanks for calling.
Thanks for calling.
Say we'll be
You'll be today.
We'll see you in Disney World.
But we don't know the way.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Sorry. Okay. Okay, but tonight.
Say okay.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mickey Mouse.
Bye.
Minnie Mouse.
What do you think, Aaron? You want to go to Disney World?
Wow, Mickey Mouse never called me before. You're so excited.
Do you want to go to Disney World?
When do you want to go?
When should we go? Tomorrow? When Sister comes back? What do you think, Daddy?
We could probably do that.
Yay!
Yay, Aaron, we're going to Disney World.
Yay!
Do you believe us? We're really going. We have to pack your bags. At Disney World. Do you want to go to Disney
Spend the
World?
night at Disney World.
But when comes from that?
After a few days, we'll have fun.